Let's continue Master Snowflake Data Engineering team. In this, now let's understand Snowflake Cloud Architecture. Snowflake supports multiple cloud platforms. Currently, Snowflake is supporting AWS, Azure, and GCP. While creating Snowflake account using snowflake.com, while creating Snowflake account, we can choose a cloud. We can choose a backend cloud for your Snowflake. Let's say I may choose AWS, you may choose Azure, someone may choose GCP. It depends on their interest. Performance wise, there is no difference because Snowflake software will taken care to process your request. So performance wise, it not depends upon cloud environment, backend cloud environment. Everything is taken care by Snowflake. And now let's understand if I take Snowflake backend is AWS. Storage purpose, it uses AWS S3 service. Processing purpose, it uses AWS EC2 service. Let's say if I create virtual house with two resources means it will create two EC2 missions to process your data. Okay. If I take Snowflake backend AWS cloud, storage purpose, it uses service called AWS S3. Processing purpose, it uses EC2 service. Similar way, if I take Snowflake backend cloud is Azure. Storage purpose, it uses Azure Blob service. Processing purpose, it uses Azure VM service. If I take Snowflake backend is GCP, storage purpose, it uses Google Cloud Storage, and processing purpose, it uses Google Cloud Engine service. Clear writing? Yeah. Now we may have one more question here. Let me open Notepad. Let me open Notepad and explain it. Yeah. So let's say if I create Snowflake account, and if I select AWS as backend cloud, okay, and here it uses AWS S3 for storage purpose, AWS EC2 for processing purpose, or virtual warehouse purpose. It uses these services. You may have a question, do we need to provide our AWS credentials? No need. What happen is AWS having their own Snowflake having their own AWS cloud account. Let's say for your user, it will create S3 resource and EC2 like this. In their enterprise account, for every user, they allocate these resources. Similar way, other clouds also. In other cloud, AWS, they have enterprise account. GCP, they have enterprise account. In their account, they allocate these resources for you. Okay. So if you are creating table means, it is going to create a folder in a bucket which is allocated for you. It will create a folder with your table name. This complete metadata information is presented in Snowflake software. In which location, in which bucket, complete information of your table details are presented in meta details of Snowflake section. Okay, clear writing? So while creating Snowflake account, we can do the backend cloud. If I choose this, Storage purpose, it uses S3 service. Processing purpose, it uses EC2 service. So similar way, if I choose Azure, storage purpose, it uses blob service, and processing purpose, it uses VM service. If I choose Google Cloud, storage purpose, it uses Google Cloud Storage service. Processing purpose, it uses Google Cloud Engine. Google Cloud Engine team. Any question team? Is it clear? Snowflake cloud architecture.